If you're a shrimp lover, then you have to give my recipe a try. Fried shrimp balls are one of my favorites to order at dim sums. The shrimp fillings are savory and juicy. Start by cutting your egg roll wrappers into strips like these. Next, peel and separate the strips. Give it a gentle squeeze and toss. They will slowly separate. Next, peel and devein your shrimp. Season your shrimp with some chicken bouillon, black pepper, cornstarch, sugar, garlic powder, and minced onions. Next, blend or chop your shrimp into a paste. Once complete, grab your desired amount of fillings and coat it with egg roll strips. Next, in a frying pot or pan, heat up your oil, place a bamboo skewer in the oil. If it bubbles around the bamboo skewer, then your oil is ready. Next, fry this for 4 to 5 minutes or until golden brown. Once complete, remove and strain, set it aside, let it rest. Once it cools down, I like to cut it in half like how they do at restaurants. You can enjoy this by itself. It's going to be savory, juicy, crispy from the egg roll wrappers, or you can top it off with some sweet and sour sauce. If you're new to my channel and you like this video, follow for more. Wow, look at that.